What's up, guys? Welcome to Hocus Pocus School. Today, we're going to be talking about how to create an LP pair on PulseX. If you guys have not downloaded the MetaMask browser extension, please check out the first video. If you guys haven't done a swap on PulseX, check out the second video. And so with that being said, let's take a little look at Ruski. So the first thing you guys want to do is come to your Google browser and type in PulseX testnet, and it's going to pop up with the testnet. It's going to be the first website on your Google search, or if you guys want, you can just type in the URL just right up here at the top. And so what's going to pop up first is the exchange, and then once you're over here, you're going to click on Liquidity. And so what we're going to do is we're going to pair up our Pulse with our Hocus Pocus token. And when you do these liquidity pairs, basically you take both tokens and put them into the decentralized exchange. And what that's going to do is it's going to help with the swaps from each token. It's going to make the swaps between each token reduce the overall slippage so that users won't lose that much money. Keep in mind, Hocus Pocus has a high slippage because you have to pay a transaction fee. But with other tokens, there's not a buy or sell fee. And so if you have an extremely liquid decentralized exchange, this is going to lower the slippage, and it's going to save money for all the Pulse chain and PulseX users. So once we click liquidity, you're going to hit add liquidity, and you are going to first select Pulse, and then down here you're going to select Hocus Pocus. Keep in mind, if Hocus Pocus is not popping up on your screen, you can click manage tokens, and then come over here to tokens, and you can type in the token address. Where you can find that token address is if you come over here to hocuspocus.finance, you can click HOC testnet, it'll bring you over to PulseX, or you can hit testnet contract, come over here, copy the testnet for Hocus Pocus, and then paste it right here, and it'll pop up with the token. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to select Hocus Pocus. And for this, basically how these liquidity pairs work is for every $1 of one token, it's going to be matched up with $1 of another token. So since Hocus Pocus has a larger coin supply than Pulse Chain, then it's probably going to be like one Pulse for probably every like 10,000 Hocus Pocus. So what I like to do is take the max altcoin or Hocus Pocus and just type in the max amount I have right here. So it's going to be 55874.8, and it's automatically going to adjust so that the dollar amount matches up with the dollar amount on Pulse Chain. If you guys want, you can just only do like 10,000 and it'll just do the same exact thing. But I think for this one, we'll just do the entire amount since we love this project. And so once you type in the full amount, you're going to click enable HOC, and then it's going to come up here with a smart contract. You're just going to hit confirm. And then once it's enabling the HOC, basically it's allowing your wallet to do the swap and do the LP pair. And so it's going to take a little bit of a minute. So transaction's been approved, super duper fast. Pulse Chain's awesome. Once that's done, you're going to click supply, hit confirm supply. MetaMask is going to pop up with a smart contract, hit confirm, and then hit close. So it's going to take a little bit of a minute to go through. Pop up. Oh, there we go. Awesome. So once the LP pair is created, you can come down here and you can see the HOC PLS. It'll show you the share of the pool. It's going to tell you how much HOC and then how much pooled PLS. Now, keep in mind, when you create these LP pairs, you're going to get a small percent of the transactions between, you know, Pulse and HOC and whatnot. It's a really great way to earn passive income, and it's also a great way to support the Hocus Pocus ecosystem and the Pulse chain ecosystem. So that's it for the video, guys.